Hi, everybody. Welcome. It is day 20 of Treasure Trovember, our annual mixed media collage challenge. After today's prompt, you are 2/3 of the way through our 30-day challenge. So let's get right to it. First of all, if you are brand new, if you just found this video on YouTube, head over to our welcome video. I'll link it down below and you can catch up really easily. We're on day 20 and the prompt for today is add money. Add some money to your collage, and then we'll be back tomorrow with day 21.